A profound political crisis is brewing at the heart of Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party as a formidable group of retired military commanders openly challenges President Mnangagwa's bid for an extended term and the controversial Constitutional Amendment Act No. 3. This unprecedented resistance, spearheaded by former Air Vice Marshal Henry Muchena, signals a significant fracture within the nation's historically powerful military elite, threatening to reshape the country's political landscape ahead of crucial electoral events. Zarabina Mashkubla Yuvachi's succession battle reaches boiling point as generals resist Mnangagwa extending term and Constitution Amendment 3. Therefore, subscribe or like on the bell icon. On mobile commissions. The simmering tensions have escalated into a full-blown succession battle, forcing these influential generals to rally their forces against Mnangagwa's leadership. Insiders suggest that Muchena's public defiance represents a critical rupture within ZANU-PF's traditional bedrock, the military, which has historically served as the party's political vanguard. The outspoken opposition from the group underscores deep internal divisions, particularly concerning the presidency, consolidation of power, and the future direction of the nation. At the core of the political maelstrom is the Constitutional Amendment Act No. 3, a legislation maneuver that critics argue heavily centralizes executive authority and disenfranchises voters. The group of retired commanders, including Muchena, formally submitted written objections to Parliament in March, warning that altering key constitutional provisions without a public referendum subverts the fundamental dues of the liberation struggle. They contend that um, the principle of one man, one vote and the direct power of the masses to elect their president are being undermined by these amendments. The group of former army commanders is not a loose collection of disgruntled individuals, but a real coordinated entity. Its membership has been closely guarded, a deliberate operational security measure to protect participants while Muchena acts as public face. The news orgs, after conducting checks and verification, confirmed the involvement of several retired generals whose names had been previously speculated but unconfirmed. Toma developments are kudapangwa ine. Nyango section medu dzofungira imo tulipa msoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.